Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an everyday makeup look using the new Ofra x Samantha March collection. I'm so excited. I was so excited to try this stuff out because I am a huge blush fanatic. If I didn't get the whole thing, I would just get the blush, but I did want the lippies as well, and I thought I might as well just get the entire PR package, pay a little extra money, and be able to give away one of the highlighters to you. Not one, the highlighter to you, because I already own it. I've been watching Samantha March for so long. Like, it's insane that she got this opportunity. Congratulations to her. I'm really excited to use these products. I mean, I already use them today, and I can tell you that, like, just look at me. Isn't it nice? Like, but yeah, if you want to win that highlighter, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. The instructions will be down below. I'm going to be picking the most active person in my comments, a person that I see constantly, you know, supporting me. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna probably ship out the highlighter a little bit and later on, so I'll probably make this giveaway last like a month so that the coronavirus stuff can kind of go away and I can actually get to ship out the product, because I don't want to be going out and shipping things right now. It's just being real, right? But yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, if you want to see my everyday neutral, natural glam using the Ofra x Samantha March collection, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. So this is such a nice cream. I'm so happy that they sent this over to me. It really hydrates the skin and it also blurs the pores. It's almost like a primer, like a really hydrating but blurring primer, but I do go in with another primer after this anyway because it just doesn't seem to be like enough blurring for me. But it really does, like on days where I don't wear makeup, I just use this and it looks so good. I've been obsessed with this. So I didn't even do my brows today because I'm going to show you how I do them. I do have an in-depth soap brow tutorial, which is what I've been doing normally. I just love the soap brow technique because it makes them look really fleeky but also not so fleeky, if that makes sense. Like they look undone but they also look super good. So the first thing you're gonna need for soap brows is a clear soap. This one I got from Amazon. It was in a 2-pack. The clearer the better, honestly, is what you need, because you don't want to use like a white soap or like a normal soap that you use like in the shower, because it'll show up in your brows, like it'll make them white. So this is clear. It doesn't show at all. It doesn't make them white at all. You also want a spoolie of some sort. I use my little disposable spoolies because they get really caked up with soap, so I just end up throwing them out after a couple of uses. But I buy these on Amazon. They're super affordable, but I also buy them because I'm a makeup artist and I use them on my clients. But basically what you're gonna want to do is take your clear soap and just put a little bit of water in it, on it. But you definitely want that to sit for a little bit so that it like really soaks into the soap, but you want to like spread it out with your fingers and kind of take away the excess. Okay, so once it's sat there for a little bit, you're gonna want to take your spoolie and just kind of glide it over lightly back and forth until it creates like a paste. And you're going to want to start flicking your eyebrows upwards using the soap that came off on the spoolie. I do them literally all the way up first so that they're sticking up. This makes them look fuller, thicker, more voluminous. And then I just kind of brush them diagonally instead because I don't want them to stick up really. Once you're done with that, you want to let them sit for a little while so they can fully dry, because otherwise you're going to be putting pencil or whatever you use over the top and it's going to create a mess. Trust me, just let them dry a little bit and yeah, you'll be good to go. Okay, now that they are completely dry, I'm gonna take my Benefit Precisely My Brow. I have 2 shades right here. This is 3.5 and this is 4, and I kind of use them interchangeably to make them look more dimensional, I guess, if that makes sense. So the first thing I do is I start with the bottom and I create a line, and I'm gonna start with 3.5 first. And then I just start creating hair-like strokes for the rest of the brow. As I go, I'll kind of like use a spoolie to like put the hairs in the place I want them to go. And I'm gonna go in with some brow strokes using the number 4 shade, again, to make this look more 3D. And then the last step of my brows is using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This definitely makes sure that your brows stay in place all day. Now I'm just going to be taking a mix of concealer and the P. Louise base to carve out my brows and prime my lids, I guess. Alright, so for foundation today, I'm going to be using the MilaniScreen Green Foundation. This is a super light coverage foundation. This would be my go-to everyday foundation if I wear makeup every single day, which I don't. I mean, when I do, I'm usually wearing like a more full coverage foundation for filming and doing creative looks on Instagram and stuff. So this is not enough coverage for me, but I have the shade 220 Natural Beige here. It is a little dark for me. So I'm gonna take the Morphe Y7 brush and I'm gonna try applying it with the brush. I don't think I've ever tried applying it with the brush, to be honest. Oh crap, completely forgot that I should use the Tatcha first. So I'm gonna use the Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas, to prime my face even more because it's otherwise I'm gonna look like crazy because I have a lot of pores. So I do go in with a full coverage concealer because I do need to hide those under eye bags. And for today I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is my project pan. I'm trying to get rid of it because I no longer support Too Faced. And now I'm just gonna take my Juno & Co Cloud Sponge to blend that out. This is my favorite sponge of all time. Now I only set my under eye concealer because my face is so dry, so I cannot set the rest of my face. So it's up to you. If you have oily skin, obviously set your face as you normally would. But I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. This is in the shade Fair to set my under eyes. I've been loving using this lately. It literally blurs your under eye and makes it look so flawless and not cakey at all. And now for the most exciting part of this video, and that is the Samantha March Ofra collection, or the Ofra X Samantha March collection. I'm so excited to show you guys what's in here. You've got all of the products right there. I actually got a signed bookmark, which, oh, that's so sweet of them. I'm so excited. I actually do read a lot. I got an extra bookmark as well. Include that in the giveaway because I'm going to be giving away the highlighter since I already own it. And yeah, so she is an author, so it's all very story based. So everything in this collection is permanent, so you can go ahead and purchase it. But the PR box was limited edition. I'm not sure if it's sold out, but yeah. Let's start with the bronzer. This is what it looks like. The packaging is all the same as other Ofra packaging. This is called River, by the way. We've got a matte side and we've got a shimmery side, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each of those separately and together so you guys can see what they look like. So that's what the matte part looks like. This is what the shimmery part looks like. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of shimmery bronzers, but it doesn't have too much shimmer, so I'm sure I could rock this. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be really pretty. So this is them mixed together now. So mixed together makes it a little darker. Wow, these are horrible swatches. I am so sorry, guys. But they're super pretty. I'm gonna take a big bronzer brush. This is from Motor Brushes, and I'm gonna just take the matte side and bronze up the skin. Also gonna bronze my forehead. This is definitely a warm tone bronzer. It's not a contour shade, but it is such a nice bronzer. Definitely perfect for summer. And now I'm just gonna take a Time LA, what is this, 206 brush, and take the matte side of the bronzer, and it's gonna go in my crease to, you know, fulfill this very nice everyday look that you can use with very few products. I love this. Now I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the shimmer side and see how that looks on the lid. So pretty. It has such a nice shimmer. It's not like too much, but it's like a good lid shade for like when you don't want a lot of makeup on, but you want something. So pretty. I really like that it has a mirror, but I think that's what makes it quite pricey. These are $35 compacts, which is like a lot. So each of these is $35. The bundle was $120, I think, but I bought it for $107 because I used an affiliate code. Brings it way down, trust me. Next up we have the Chiclet Blush Duo, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. I'm obsessed with blush as of lately, so I'm excited to see what they look like. So once again, we have a matte side and a shimmer side. I'm gonna swatch each of these. This is just a matte side. Such a gorgeous like peachy shade. This is just the shimmer side. So pretty. And mixed together. Wow, that's stunning. I do like blushes with shimmer. I am gonna go ahead and take just the matte side again. There's a little bit of fallout with this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's understandable. It is, whoa, really pigmented. Okay. Tapping the excess and actually just putting some on the other side first. Whoa, was not expecting that. I've been loving the blush on the nose situation. I went a little bit overboard, guys. I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush and just kind of diffuse everything together. Whoa, that was way more pigmented than I had imagined. Next up is the Start Inspired highlighter, which I actually already own right here. It's actually called the March Beauty Word highlighter. That was the original. I'm gonna be giving that one away, the one that's new, because I've been using this one. I haven't used it like that much, to be honest, because I don't know why. I don't know why, but this is what it looks like. Same packaging. Instead of the Start Inspired, it says @March Beauty Word, which is her Instagram handle. So we're going to go ahead and I'm gonna swatch each of these. This is a mix of Rodeo Drive and Pillow Talk, and I'm gonna swatch each separately once again and then all together. So this is Rodeo Drive, this is Pillow Talk. I actually own each of these separately. And then this is them together, which I really love them together. It gives like a nice champagne-y color absolutely obsessed. So I'm actually going to take both of them, like everything swirled together. Before I do this, actually, let me go ahead and take some setting spray though. Look how gorgeous that is. Ofra highlighters are pretty blingy. Like, you can build them up. You can have them pretty subtle, but you can also build them up. Personally, I don't care. I like having a blingy highlighter even when I'm going for a very natural makeup look, an everyday makeup look. I don't care. Before I forget, I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer and just take some on my lower lash line because I kind of forgot to do that. Just the matte bronzer. And I look really bare when I don't do this. Like, I have to have something on my lower lash line or I just look strange. So I'm also going to take some of the highlighter and mix them together and put them in my inner corner. I love the glow it gives. I'm quickly going to put on mascara. My everyday mascara, my go-to mascara is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. It is such a great mascara for lengthening, separating. I've been using a lot of lashes lately, so my lashes kind of look like crap, so don't judge it. I'm going to be using an eyelash curler first. And the last thing in the collection, the last things are the lip products. So there's two lip products. She came out with two lippies. One's a lip gloss and one is a liquid lipstick, which Ofra has one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas of all time. I can't wait to see how this one looks on me. My favorite liquid lipstick from Ofra is Manila, which is I think what she came out with in her first collaboration with them. It was like her favorite Ofra products. Hold on, my mascara is kind of clumpy here. She did create her own shade now and it's called Story, and then they also came out with a gloss formula, which I actually haven't tried from Ofra, so I'm excited to try it. This is Millie. I think that's named after her grandmother, and it is like so stunning. It is like a perfect just clear gloss with a little bit of glitter. It reminds me of Fenty, the one we just got in BOXYCHARM, I forgot what it's called. Diamond, I think it's the Diamond Bomb, which is so stunning. But I'm gonna try this one on first. I'm gonna swatch it and then I'm gonna put it on my lips, and I'll probably take it off to put this one on instead because I'm a liquid lipstick girl. I do like my glosses on the daily, but I am gonna put this one on instead. I'm just not sure that these two would go so well together, like layered on top of each other, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this one for today, but I do want to see how this one looks on my face. So that's its swatch. It is so stunning. It has sparkles and wow. Let's see how it looks on my lips. I like the applicator. It doesn't bring out too much product. Sometimes I waste a lot of product with glosses. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. That is such a gorgeous everyday gloss. It's definitely not too glossy. It's almost like a lip, I don't want to say tint because it's not a tint, it's not color, but it's really not sticky at all. Wow, this formula is very interesting. It also smells kind of good. But look how pretty it looks on my lips. It has like a blue shift to it, I guess, like a blue, purple, pink, I don't know. It's iridescent, let's just say that. But it is so stunning and it does not feel sticky at all. Oh my gosh. So this is Story, and this is like a mauvey nude. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. The formula of Ofra liquid lipsticks is amazing because it's super thin and lightweight, so it doesn't cake up, it doesn't crease, it doesn't look really bad on your lips, and it lasts like such a long time. It's such a great formula and I love this shade. It's so pretty. It is definitely like a really nice like darker everyday nude. All right, so my final thoughts on everything. I think everything is so pretty. I'm not sure I'm gonna use the shimmery sides of the blush and bronzer as much, but I'll definitely have them around. And yeah, if you want to enter my giveaway, all instructions will be down below as well as in the intro if you saw it. So if you want to win that highlighter, it's such a nice highlighter. The Ofra formula is insane. So look at this highlighter. It's so freaking pretty. This one's mine. A huge congratulations to Samantha March once again. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.